Welcome back to Harburn Double O, or indeed, welcome to Harburn Double O. This is a little video how you use inputs with outputs via actions. So I'm going to keep it quite brief. I'm not going to do too much detail with it, but hopefully it'll be of interest to you. So let's take you over to the computer and get set up on Rocrail first. In the last video, we set up the output being this accessory here for the LED, and indeed we set up the two LEDs as well to simulate the aspect signal. Now the feedback is there, but it's not been programmed into the panel yet. So I'll go to track plan, edit panel, click on sensor. I could add anyone here at all, change it after the fact. Go back to track plan, switch off the operate so I don't get anything I don't want in here. So I right click on top of it. This one here, I'll go to properties. Then properties there, the decoder is going to be WI62, and the block ID, the rest of it I leave blank, apart from this one here, accessory number. So it's set at number 4, that's a little circle. I like number 3. So OK, and that changes that to the square. Now I need to go back in and set up the interface as well. So properties, go into interface. The interface ID is going to be WIO, and the node address is going to be 62, in other words, WIO 62, and the address we'll go for this pin number is address number 9. And the rest we can leave blank down here, don't have to do anything else with that. So OK, if I trigger the sensor now, you see it comes on and off. Can't see my hand, mind you, I've got the screen on at the moment. So now I need to interact with the input and the output, so that's done through actions. So Alt number 3 brings up the actions. I'm going to put a new action in, I call it number 1. Just keep things simple, keep it top of the tree. I'm going to go to make sure it's selected. Number 1, I'll go to definition. So the definition is going to be CO10, that is the LED, and the substate we're going to leave blank, and for the moment the command we're going to put on flip. There's quite a few commands we could put in here, and as the program goes on we'll take you through one or two of them. Flip to start off with. The same again, everything else is left blank. Keep things a bit easier to understand at the moment. So apply. OK. Now go into the sensor, right click that, properties, need to set up the action. The action we want to set up, the ID is one we just set up, number 1. The state is going to be, for the moment, wedge of val, and that is that. Leave everything else blank apart from add, apply, and OK. So OK that. Now let's trigger the sensor, LED comes on, I'll try it again, LED goes back off again, change it. So what we'll do first, folks, I'll set up the camera so we can see the WI board and the LED working as well. As we got the camera set up now, folks, there, so we can see it working. So when the train or the locomotive passes the sensor, it changes it to red, and as soon as it passes the sensor, go back to green. What you can do, if you've got several carriages there, you can put the sensor at an angle where it goes across. The sensor's breaking across this way here, it's a longer distance to travel. The next train should catch it as well. Saying these IR sensors are not too good for great train detection, the better current detection, because as I say, when it passes by, each one goes on and off, on and off. What we can do, we can set it to a timer as well, so when it passes by, I'll go on. What I can do first of all passes by, it'll go on, and when it gets to our sensor up here, which will go back off. I'll just show you briefly how to do that. So I'll get my sensor, go to properties there, go into actions, and rather than be set to edge valve, what we'll do, we'll set it to on, apply that, OK. So now, when the carriage goes by, switches it on, the red, it'll stay on red until it reaches another sensor down the line to switch it off, which would be set up the properties and actions as off on it. So on one sensor, we'll go back to the timings then, folks. So set up as a timer, go to actions, switch it back to a short on, apply, OK. Now close that, go into the properties of the accessory, accessory, go to interface, come down to where it says delay, and I'm going to put a delay in there of 10 seconds. I'll seem like an eternity on camera, mind you. So apply, OK. So it's on green there at the moment. The train goes through, I'll trigger the sensor, I'll flick it to red, and I'll stay there for 10 seconds. The 10 seconds on camera will seem like an eternity before it goes back, but hopefully it'll go back just shortly. There we have it, folks. You can set it for your 10 seconds, you can measure a block there and put your timings you want in there for the delay. Just use one sensor, keep the cost in a little. So that's me, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you please like, subscribe, or even leave a comment on it. The next one there, I'm going to start using servos, the ESP32. Cheers. Thanks for watching.